Hello, my beautiful daisies. My name is Drea Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you do like my content. I will be doing a lot of beauty stuff. So let's get started. Today, I'm actually going to be doing a mini brow tutorial. I always like to use Brow Bar by Reema. I received this from BoxyCharm, and it looks like this. It's really pretty. I use this color right here. And it also comes with a little brow, like a mascara type of thing. I don't use this one. I only use this color. So the first thing I do is first we apply the concealer with this brush right here. As long as you have a flat brush like this, it should be fine. You literally have to put just a tiny bit. And that's a lot. That's actually for both of them, because this is really thick. So you put just a little here and a little bit here. So I have already applied my primer prior to anything. It's called the Professional by Benefit. So I only use that around the eye area and around the nose area, where I mostly have like drier skin. And you just want to spread it evenly. The palette is called True Glam Brow Makeover Kit Dark, in the dark shade. So I'm gonna grab this brush. This brush is from Essential Beauty. I think I got this on Amazon as well, a long time ago. Any flat brush, like angled, will work. And you just go into here. And the first thing I do is outline it. You have to outline the brow first. So, like this. And then the excess, I fill in the middle part. Because right here in the middle, you don't want it to be too dark. So I just kind of like what was left over from the lines, I just kind of fill in a little bit right here. Now I just continue filling. I have a scar right here, so there's going to be parts that it's a little bit more difficult. It takes more time for me to do this side because of my scar, so I have to like cover it up as much as possible. And I try to get it pretty dark over here. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like right here. This is not the end result. Now I'm going to go and correct it with that concealer just to kind of clear up those rough edges, because my hand is not steady. It looks all crooked and like, I don't know if you could see, it just look like weird right here. There. All right, I'm gonna go into the next one, and I do the same thing. You just do the outline first on the top and at the bottom, and then you just fill in. This brow is much easier for me because I have like no scar to cover up. Also, now on this middle part, to get it to look like really nicely shaped, I turn the brush and I apply it right there. So I just kind of lay it like that. I don't know if you can see. I just lay it right there, and So like lay down and then go inward like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the Heavy Duty Concealer by Hard Candy with the same brush, because we're gonna need all of that. Okay, so now we start by correcting all of the rough edges. You just go like this. And now you just kind of clean it upward so it doesn't look so, you know, marked. And then this part, I try to angle it, so I put my brush right here and I go over that part. So it's a little bit rounded. Okay, I think we are done with this one. Let's go on to the next brow. We start on the top. I think out of all the makeup I do on my face, this is what takes me the longest by far. And to me, it's the hardest because I could never get like straight lines on my face. I always have to do this. And now we move on to the middle. So we just do like this, and I like to round it out. And there we go. And this is the end result. Yeah, they look like kabam, like wow, like too much. But once you apply the makeup and everything, it's gonna all look beautiful. My beautiful daisies, this is the final look. This is what I wanted you to see. So as you can see, when you apply the rest of the makeup, it just all comes together. It looks beautiful. But without the makeup, of course, it's gonna look kind of weird like it looked before. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, see you on the next one.